If this is what I think it is, I've waited 4 months for this. Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to be unboxing, or well, unpackaging this package. I ordered this 4 months ago and then it got lost in the shipping. It's finally arrived. But a little backstory, this was supposed to arrive on my birthday. In my birthday vlog, I talked about how I was really close to finishing Teen Wolf, and I actually did finish Teen Wolf. I ordered a bracelet and that came in, but I was still waiting on this. You guys are gonna know what it is. If you've seen Teen Wolf, you'll know what hoodie this is. Okay, interesting. Let me try it on. Bruh, I'm actually disappointed. What is this? I ordered a large. This does not feel like a large. Look at this. It's like, what? I'm so disappointed. Okay, hold on. Trying to get out of it is gonna be a struggle. A medium instead. It doesn't even say the size on it. What? Even like look on the inside. You guys can see like the thread here, and then like even here. How is this like thin but also thick at the same time? Bro, this is so sad. This is so sad. What the heck? I don't really know what else to say. I'm disappointed. Here, let me come and sit. Even look at this. Wait, what happened here? Hello? Why is it like this? Oh, that is so sad. Look at this. Do I pull it or? Okay. Okay. That is so tight. I literally can't wear this. Like, I mean, I guess I could if I pulled up my sleeves, but like, it's so uncomfortable. This looks like a kid's hoodie. At the end of the day, this is my lucky hoodie. I was thinking that once I got this one, it would be my new favorite hoodie that I'd wear around. But like, after trying it on, like, I'm not gonna wear this. Oh, that is so disappointing. Ordered the hoodie back in May because I wanted it to come in time for my birthday, which is in June. So June comes around, it still hasn't come in. So I emailed them. They were like, what would you like? And I said, can you please send me a replacement? So they shipped it out, and then in July, I was like, hey, I haven't heard. It was like mid-July. I was like, hey, I haven't received the package yet. Can I get the tracking number? Because they said they would give me a new tracking number, and they didn't. They said to delete my order from my order history, and they still didn't give me a tracking number. And then today, we're in August, it finally came in, and I get this. Like, what? If you have this hoodie, can you please tell me where you ordered it from? Because I ordered it from Amazon. I thought that was like the best place to find it and like look for it. But is there a better place to get this from at a reasonable price? Because I think I might just have to reorder another hoodie. This is so sad. Oh my gosh. Hopefully I do get the right hoodie one day. I'm so sad. Stilinski, this was the part I was so excited for. So it doesn't say it on here, and when I check my account, it doesn't say what size it is either. So I either ordered a large, or because it was unisex, I read some of the comments and it said that it comes in fairly larger than what you'd expect. So I ordered either a large or a medium. But like, even then, large and medium hoodies should fit me. So like, this literally feels like a small. Alright, I gotta go eat dinner. So, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've ever gotten this hoodie. Like, where have you gotten it from? Please let me know. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye guys.